Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the MetaFirst pain relief tablets. Pain reliever. It comes 100 in a box, which is nice. But what I want to be able to show you is, in the background here, this is my homeschool first aid kit box. And the nice thing about this box is that while homeschooling, if something should happen, like if such as I'm feeling some pain or, itchiness and, different symptoms, I can be able to take some of this pain relief and I can be able to use it so that instead of making it so that the kids are not able to learn for the day, which is, important, I can easily be able to take this and keep on going. So it's just a nice addition for my homeschool first aid kit. But as you see here in the background, my plan is I want to get all of the first aid kit items because, again, my motto is it's better to be safe than sorry. If something should come up, I can go through my first aid kit box, homeschool first aid kit box, and I'm ready to go. So this is just going to make its way inside of the box for me to use if something should happen. Thanks for watching.